Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 15. Let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Orange color, sky blue color, green color, violet color, black color, blue color, pink color, red color, green color and light pink color. Let's draw numbers. Orange color 1, ONE 1. Yellow color 2, TWO 2. Sky blue color 3, THREE 3. Green color 4, FOUR 4. Blue color 5, FIVE 5. Black color 6, SIX 6. Pink color 7, SIVEN 7. Black color 8, EIGHT 8. Pink color 9, NINE 9. Light pink color 10, TEN 10. Light green color 11, ELEVEN 11. Red color 12. Yellow color 13. Sky blue color 14. Green color 15. Once again learning numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, bye kids.